Welcome back, guys.
What's up?
Where are we hunting?
We're at Pawpaw's Paradise. Decided to take Chris down here, see if we can hit something.
What are we hunting?
Hunt some ducks.
Are we gonna kill some? Come on.
There's 2 guns over there.
We got 2 guns over there, apparently.
Mine's back there. But we're gonna try to go kill us some ducks and have a good time and
Oh yeah.
try not to shoot each other and have fun. So
Catch
Yeah.
y'all at our spot.
we're to our spot. We had one duck come by. Wasn't interested in our 100,000 decoys, but I don't know. I'm rocking the 20 gauge. He's rocking the, I don't know, what is that, a 410? I'm just kidding.
Actually, no, 14. This
It's
is
a 12 gauge.
Shooting 3 inches.
We got our whole blind right here.
One-
Hey, Jigga. We got decoys over there. We got Garrett set up right back there. Decoys all back there. Jerking decoy. And we got a jerking decoy out there. See that creating ripples? This is a sweet spot, sweet little slough flooded by the Washita River, correct? And I don't know, maybe we'll shoot a duck in its face, maybe a banded one, but probably not because we
can't hit the broadside of the barn.
yeah. And a duck would be pretty hard to hit.
The last duck
So.
caught us.
Well, here goes something or nothing, probably nothing, but hopefully something. So, and we got this goofball, so.
Garrett called. Circling. Kill. Come on. Kill the points. Come on. That's pitiful. I'd have made high excellent out of y'all over there.
Dude, what,
And y'all ain't killing nothing.
what are they doing? Did y'all even hit one? Hey, did they even get one out of that?
The string's loose on this. Oh, duck's right there. Kill that joint. Shoot the Bajabai. Oh, yeah. Bajabai.
Yeah.
Way to shoot the Bajabai. About darn time y'all ain't damn pitiful. Okay, she's down. Go finish her off, Pawpaw.
Wait, you need me to shoot her from here since y'all can't hit them?
Maybe.
Is this a good hunt for y'all?
Yeah. Oh Lord, I pulled it under water.
I was like, bro, where'd he go? What'd he say? Normally meowing at them helps. Maybe helps them hit them. Can't hit them if I don't get to shoot.
Hey, y'all'd make me very happy if y'all'd leave some for the rest of us.
You want to?
No, y'all just wait a little bit before y'all shoot.
Alright, we're shooting then. Alright.
Hey, can we turn around and shoot?
Yeah, you can turn around and shoot. As long as Garrett's on the other side.
Yeah, Garrett's been right here.
Look, this is the perfect place. You can't shoot me though.
Oh Lord, water in my boots. In the foot.
Oh, and move back here with me. You gotta stand like right here.
Sucker.
We can shoot in this.
Historical. How many have we killed?
We've killed like 4 or 5.
I only see 2 dead.
Well, I guess I just
3 dead.
finished one. I think we've killed 4 or 5 pretty good. We ain't got to shoot yet because they gotta fire away the whole time, not let us get a shot. But it's all right. Once we shoot, we'll hit them. Well, there's 2 of them. Let me see them, Garrett. That was that one.
Grab it. You want me to hold it up?
Hold that sucker up. Well, it doesn't really have a brain, so
Here, I'll hold it. Oh.
let's show this one. This one.
Well, I'll just hold this one.
Wood ducks are so pretty, though.
What is this?
This was a pretty one.
Whenever they're fully intact.
Till I put a hole into it too.
Yeah, pretty nice.
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. Suckers.
Oh, right there, right there. Shoot him.
Oh my gosh, how dumb.
That was our chance, and Garrett's got me holding up. Well, I have ducks in one hand.
We'll set them down. Gosh, we're dumb. They about ran into us.
Man, we would have killed them.
No, we probably missed. They were going so fast.
Not flying right at us. They don't seem that fast. When they were sideways, yeah, we probably would have missed.
That was
I wasn't
on.
even giving it a little pulley either.
We're just giving it a chili.
My gun hadn't even came off safety.
Huh?
Usually I sky blast, but I've been trying to come out a little bit, not pull a reed, but you know. Sucker shoots him from a mile.
Bro,
He's
that.
over here.
What?
RPG! Oh, mow.
Dude, that.
Reload.
That duck was all the way over there. And
Yeah, I know. He's over here. Shotgun? No! RPG, sniper rifle. Boom.
You're so dumb.
What's the sniper rifle in Apex? The Carmen.
No, the Craver.
Craven, yeah. Close
The
enough.
Cornman. The heavy. Reed thinks he's got a heavy sniper. Or a Craver.
Mythic heavy sniper.
Is that a
rifle.
Craver?
I'm Muslim. I blow it up.
You got that red rarity Craver?
You're Islamic. I blow it up.
What legend are you?
Basula. I'm a D4.
Yeah, we know, because that's about the aim they have. You didn't break it.
Can't see him. Crap. Hadn't shot crap. Hadn't looked at crap. And we got Reed and Ethan over here thinking they got sniper rifles. RPG sniper rifle.
Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, they think they're him.
Turkeys.
The good thing is we're gonna come back in the morning and sky blast.
Ducks.
Here we go. Shoot.
Oh yeah! I got one!
No, I
I got two!
No, I got one. I got that closest one.
Where is it?
Finish it. Finish it.
I'm out of ammo! You shoot it!
Is it this one right there?
Shoot the joint. I'm out of ammo. Good Lord. That's what I'm talking about, big sexy. Heck
Let's
yeah.
go.
Woo! Hey. Sexy ladies.
Let's go. I got one.
All right, Big Daddy, let's go.
Stinking go. I got that on video, right? I smoked it. We injured one.
No, I dropped one out the sky.
That
Shoot me, I'm gonna walk down to the end.
well, that was the
Did you see the one that fell at the end?
yeah. That was
At
the
the sky.
that was the one that Owen killed.
At the sky.
I know, I don't think it's dead.
Yeah, I don't either.
Don't shoot me.
Hey, Owen, is your gun on safety?
I don't got no bullets in this dude.
Good shot, Owen.
No, I got that
Dad, I
sucker.
didn't even aim.
That one's mine.
No, that one's mine. The
No.
other one, the second one's yours.
Uh-uh.
Okay, fine. We'll call it both of us, cause I don't know.
Owen, try to tell me where it fell.
Okay, there's one right here, and the other one's way down there at the end on the left.
One right here?
There's one right here that I'll grab.
That's
Do
the
you want
one.
me to grab it right now? Okay, hold this.
Here, I'm just
Walk
gonna.
over here with me.
Well, I'm gonna set it against this tree so I have a hand to shoot with.
It should be down there on the left. I watched it fall out the sky.
I thought y'all knocked 3 down.
I know we not.
For sure.
No, 2, I think.
I
thought it
watched
was
it
3.
fall out the sky.
I thought 2 fell, and then you hit one way up here, it fell way down there by.
I think this one's mine. I don't know. We were both sky blasting. I didn't even aim. I just got.
Garrett, my high-pitched screams work. Hey, do you want me to put that on to walk out?
Yeah.
You want to cover it or something?
Oh, put that on your head. See, Owen, go get that. Dude, that was.
Hey, I have a waterproof protective case.
No, that thing's waterproof.
What? Shouldn't be. It should be more towards me on the left, like right here.
I don't know. I thought it was more right.
Oh, good Lord. That's real deep.
Is it a wood?
Yeah. Oh, there's water in my waders. And I haven't even taken a swim. I don't like this game. Oh, it's in my butt cheeks. Oh, right by my nuts. There's a big tree right here I'm trying to maneuver. Oh my Lord, bro. Shot this joint out the sky, baby. Oh, it's in between my butt cheeks.
Hey, do that high-pitched scream.
Oh, the water's cold. I got the joint though. Oh, we shot the sun right in the head.
All right, Ethan, what are we doing?
Playing the ducks.
There we are. I got a flashlight on my Crocs. You having fun?
Sure.
Look like it. You should talk.
Trying to focus. Pretty hard. And I messed
Maybe
up.
you need a sharper knife.
No,
No.
I can't see.
Maybe you should turn the light on.
The light is on.
Maybe it should be brighter.
Maybe it should.
Well,
Bring your croc flashlight up here.
well, have fun cleaning the duck. I'm gonna go eat some chips. Love you.
Here,
Bye.
watch me get the heart.
That crumble cookie box?
Yes.
Faggot. Oh, delete that one. You can't even see.
Alright. I don't know if y'all can see us. We're right here and here. We're back in the duck blind. Garrett's out there getting a mojo set up. You can just see his light. But we're gonna get everything set up. It's getting close to shooting light. The GoPro just always makes it look a little darker. I'm gonna get this sucker on my head and get ready for some ducks to start flying in. So, you excited?
Yeah, we got perfect wind coming in straight from our back, so they ought to be landing right in our face.
Alright, so we're down here at the sluice, show them the sluice. It's frozen over. We had to break the ice. Well, I didn't. I got waders, but it's snowing. Looks like a winter wonderland out here. About to start this morning off. We got these kids sitting in front of us. They're gonna get peppered in the back, aren't they?
They're not too smart.
But
Everything's frozen. The calls are frozen. So.
I feel like we should kill some because this is the only place they can land. Hey, how about y'all just sit down?
Look
What
at
are
him.
you sitting in?
Look at him sitting in our lap.
What is Ethan? Ethan, you can't sit right on my
Ethan,
wall.
you might as well just come sit on my lap.
Like you can come bring it.
All right, we'll see if we get some
but
ducks.
not on me.